Imagine skipping traffic forever, taking to the skies and turning hours of commute into minutes of exhilarating flight. The idea of a flying car isn't just a fantasy anymore. It is a rapidly approaching reality. Thanks to advancements in aviation engineering, artificial intelligence, and battery technology, the skies are truly opening up. Companies worldwide are already working on making flying cars a commercial reality, and many are actively targeting market introduction within this decade. In fact, we're seeing major categories emerge in this race: electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicles, eVTOLs, hybrid flying automobiles that can both drive and fly, and heavy-lift cargo and industrial air vehicles designed for transporting goods rather than people. This new wave of vertical flight promises personal air travel that blends futuristic design with advanced control and incredible speed. Join us as we explore innovations that are not just pushing boundaries, but completely shattering them. An emerging category in flying cars is the electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL, designed for short urban flights. These aircraft don't need runways and are quieter than helicopters, making them ideal for city environments. One of the most futuristic designs in this space comes from London-based Bellweather Industries, with their unique model, the Voler. It features an electrical hidden propulsion system, a compact design, and a distinctive wingless lifting body. While the final design of this revolutionary aircraft is still under wraps, a half-scale prototype named Antelope has been tested in Dubai. This remotely piloted two-seater model managed to fly at an altitude of just 4 meters at 40 kilometers per hour. The final design is an ambitious 4 to 5 passenger vehicle with a flying speed of up to 220 kilometers per hour and heights up to 3,000 feet, measuring around 10.5 feet in width. Bellweather aims for a 90-minute flight time, 1,320 pounds takeoff weight, and a commercial launch by 2028, hinting at a future price point as low as $5,000 thanks to its compact design and hopes for mass production, positioning it as a true disruptor in urban transportation. If you've ever dreamed of flying a luxury supercar, but in the sky, meet the Leo Coupe. With its sleek ducted fan design resembling a luxury sports car, this eVTOL can take off vertically in spaces as small as your driveway. The USA-based company, Leo Flight, aims to offer a 3-passenger aircraft with a maximum speed of 400 kilometers per hour, covering up to 300 miles in a single battery charge. With a target launch in around 2027, the price for each aircraft will be in the range of $300,000, aimed at high-end buyers seeking a blend of exclusivity and cutting-edge technology. Cyclotech Austria's Blackbird looks like something straight out of the future. Instead of normal rotors for takeoff, it is the first eVTOL to use 6 spinning barrels that can tilt in any direction, allowing it to fly forward, move sideways, or even stop mid-air. It's compact, agile, highly stable, and recently completed its first successful test flight. China's Govi AirCab is a bold leap into autonomous flying taxis. Built by the GAC Group, this 2-seater eVTOL uses a lightweight carbon fiber body, gull-wing doors, and a panoramic glass dome, giving it a modern, high-tech appearance. With multiple top-mounted rotors, it offers stable lift. High-speed charging gets it back in the air in just 25 minutes. Mass production is targeted for 2026, with pre-orders priced around $233,000. Now let's shift gears, quite literally, into hybrid flying cars. These are the true transformers, vehicles with both driving and flying capabilities. Imagine cruising down the highway, then unfolding wings and taking off all in the same vehicle. That's the Switchblade. Under development by Samsung Sky, it is a true roadable aircraft that converts from a sleek 3-wheeled sports car into a compact aircraft in under 3 minutes. After 14 years of development, the Switchblade has completed its maiden flight in November of 2023, marking a huge milestone. It has sparked significant interest, with over 2,400 reservations from around 50 countries. The base model starts at around $170,000, but premium versions can push that price higher. And if all goes to plan, lucky early buyers could be turning roads into runways as soon as 2026. In June 2021, this flying car made headlines by completing a 35-minute flight between two cities in Slovakia. Designed by Professor Stefan Klein, who has spent 30 years turning it into a reality, Aircar is a hybrid automobile that turns from a road car into an aircraft. While many flying cars are going fully electric, the Klein Vision Aircar takes a more traditional route. Powered by a combustion engine resembling that of a regular car, it blends familiar automotive technology with aviation. Its 280 horsepower engine runs on regular gasoline, making refueling as easy as pulling into any gas station. Built with lightweight composite materials, the Aircar weighs under 1,800 pounds, 800 kilograms, surprisingly light for a hybrid aircraft. In case of an emergency, it has a secret weapon, a ballistic parachute that can launch in seconds to land you safely. Forget concepts, the PALV Liberty is already a reality. It has already received approval to be legally driven on public roads in Europe. This gyroplane, built by the Dutch company PALV, is a unique blend of car and aircraft, using a spinning top rotor to generate lift, while a rear propeller provides forward thrust. This unique, clever design ensures safety even if the engine fails, allowing it to glide down gently to the ground. It offers a flying range of about 310 miles, 500 kilometers, and speeds up to 180 kilometers per hour. Deliveries are expected soon, with pricing starting around $400,000. Flying cars aren't just about commuting. Meet the AG Cormorant, a futuristic cargo drone developed by Israel's Tactical Robotics. Originally developed in partnership with global crop protection company, the Cormorant was designed to replace manned crop dusters, making it perfect for aerial spraying on huge plantations. But it isn't just limited to farming. With its powerful lift capacity of over 500 kilograms, 1,100 pounds, the Cormorant can be used to deliver emergency supplies, cargo, and even firefighting equipment. Like the Voler, its main lift rotors are enclosed within the body of the aircraft, which makes it easier to access hard-to-reach areas where helicopters would struggle. It is a fully unmanned aerial vehicle. Therefore, its use in specialized industrial missions can eliminate safety risks for human pilots and reduce costs, solving real-world problems that passenger air taxis haven't even touched yet. Alauda Aeronautics has recently unveiled the Airspeeder Mk4, a visually striking project that stands apart from other flying vehicle concepts because it is the first ever crewed version of a flying racing car. It's a single-pilot, high-speed, low-altitude racing eVTOL that can hit speeds up to 360 kilometers per hour with a range of approximately 300 kilometers. Highly impressive for a performance racing aircraft. Unlike urban eVTOLs, this is built for precision racing, not city traffic. Drawing inspiration from classic Formula One racing cars, including features for multi-dimensional aerial agility. Flight testings are ongoing in South Australia with pilot onboard racing coming soon. The Jetson 1 is a prime example of a new wave of personal flying. Swedish company Jetson calls it a personal electrical aerial vehicle and aims to make flying accessible to everyone. It is a single-seater eVTOL that has a lightweight all-aluminium space airframe with 8 exposed electric motors, unlike the Voler. However, so compact that it can be folded to a width of 3 feet for transport or storage, fitting in most garages. It can fly at speeds up to 63 miles per hour, 102 kilometers per hour, for about 20 minutes on a full charge. Priced at around $98,000, it's designed for recreational pilots and backyard takeoffs, turning sci-fi dreams into personal reality. The dream of flying cars is no longer a distant sci-fi fantasy. As we've discussed, prototypes are being tested, road approvals have been granted, and mass production deadlines are set. From luxurious eVTOLs to hybrid flying automobiles to air taxis and racing machines, the skies are starting to fill with innovation. But many hurdles need to be addressed. Air traffic control, public safety, and regulatory approvals that will play a vital role in determining how quickly this industry takes off. Will flying cars truly change the way we travel? Can they safely and affordably become a part of our daily lives? The future holds many mysteries, but one thing is clear. Flying cars may not replace our roads overnight, but they're already reimagining the future of transportation. Which one of these flying aircraft would you want to take for a spin? The futuristic Voler, the transforming Switchblade, or maybe the luxury Leo Coupe? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more futuristic deep dives.